Hi class! Today I'm going to give you a short tutorial on how to use the Instant Heart Rate app. Now this is available on both Android and Apple products, so I'm going to give you a short little view of what both of those look like. I just pulled up here on the Google app, or the Google store. I pulled up the app Instant Heart Rate Monitor, and it has a really awesome video, so I'm going to just kind of give you a shot of what that looks like and how to use this app. So you'll go onto this page when you download the app. You'll hit measure, and then you'll put your finger over the top of your camera lens. It will give you some time to, or take some time to detect it, and you'll see the time countdown. It usually shows up around here. It'll be a countdown. You'll see it when it's all done. It'll fill up blue, and then it'll let you know it's done. It usually takes a few seconds. When it's done, it'll tell you what your heart rate is. You can choose to store your heart rate. You can then look at the history of your heart rate, so you'll know what your heart rate was on all these days. And then you can go ahead and you can share this information on all of your social network sites. Pretty easy, pretty fun, and gives you some great information about your health and your heart rate. Now, your page will probably look like this. You'll have these little settings down in here. I like to just hit my measure button and then go ahead and do it. You can check your heart rate zones. We'll also go through that in class, so you'll see where exactly you need to be on your heart rate when you're on exercising or on resting. Then it will tell you where your average is. Your average heart rate will be right in here. It'll tell you where he is, like right here. That's where they were, 87. And then you can go from this page to add your note or to share. It just depends on which, if you paid for the app or you got the free one. I just use the free ones. I don't see the reason for paying for it. And then there's some other things. Okay. Now on the Apple one, it's very similar as well. It looks just a little bit different down here on the bottom, but you can just hit your measure button and it will go ahead and do that. Put your finger over the camera and it will test your heart rate. You'll see it here on this really cool screen. And then it will give you your heart rate. You can also check your averages here, which I think this is really awesome because it gives you a visual of your heart rate as you've been measuring it through the days. And that is about it. This is just your short tutorial on how to use the Instant Heart Rate Monitor app. It'll be super fun, and we're going to have fun during our fitness unit. Thanks, guys!